So hey, in this one I'm going to show you how you can create an AI chatbot for travel agency. Now, you might have two questions. First, Krish, who is buying AI chatbots in 2025? 2025 is the year of AI voice agents, agentic AI solutions, and end-to-end workflows, that stuff. But trust me, if we can sell AI chatbots in 2025, you can as well. Many people are doing in our community the same thing. So, two reasons why people are gonna buy AI chatbots now as well. First, that people still need AI conversational agents in their website to book appointments, handle customer queries, and qualify leads. And second thing is, people don't have time to build all of these solutions and AI chatbots for their business, and that's why we step in. We build these chatbots, agents for them, and we deploy them on their website on the behalf of them. The second question you might have is, Krish, who is buying AI chatbots for $5,000? And trust me, they do. And that's what I'm going to show you in this one, after all of the demo and explanation of how to actually sell these AI chatbots to businesses for $4,000-$5,000. Because just saying that take this and you can sell this for $4,000-$5,000 is not just enough. You don't know how to actually sell it, and I'm going to show you that. And that's how people in our community are closing $4,000 to $5,000 deals every single month. If you want to join that, you can click the description link or the pinned comment link. Now let's get into it. So before going into how to actually build it, how to actually copy and paste it and start selling it, let me show you a demo so you are gonna understand it better. If you are a business owner who runs a travel agency and travel company, this would be a perfect solution for you, because of the leads or the traffic you are getting on your website is just not enough if you don't have any agent which is going to convert your cold leads into a paying customers. So let's first look at the demo. So this is Zicasso customer support rep. Zicasso is a luxury travel company which provides personalized vacation package to people, which is curated by experts and give unique and exclusive experiences. Now let's test it. We are going to click on start conversation, and hello, I'm Anya from Zicasso. What can I assist you with? So we can know a lot of things, like if you are an experienced builder, you know about these AI chatbots and how to build them and how they work. If you don't know, that's what I'm showing you. So we can find a perfect trip, we can plan a custom trip, we can ask for customer support or travel support, and we can also know about their company. So let's know something about their company. Tell me about your company. So as you can see, it has told us about everything. So if we are gonna say, what are your services? And lastly, if we are saying, how can I contact you? So as you can see that their contact details are these and these. And if we want travel support, we can also click on that. And we can either talk to an agent, request a callback, or just ask for contact details. And we just did for the contact details. So let's see if we want to talk to an agent. So if we want to talk to an agent, this is gonna convert itself into appointment booking chatbot. And as you can see, there is a whole calendar from where we can select a date and just move on forward from there, like that. So if once you are done, you can click on I am done, and we can also plan a custom trip. And for that, it is also going to ask us if you want a callback, request a callback or schedule a call with us. And if we are going to say we are going to request a callback, it is going to convert itself into a lead capture chatbot. It is going to collect leads from us and it is going to qualify us. So let's enter the details real quick. My name is Krishna, and my email is this. Your phone number, my phone number is this. you going? Let's say I'm going to Dubai. When are you leaving? Let's say 5 August 2025. And let's say we are returning on 10 August 2025. And what is your budget? Let's say our budget is $10,000. And it is going to confirm the details. Are these correct? Yes, these details are correct. And it is going to reply to us with this message. And that is, your details are corrected and we are going to be in touch shortly. So where these details are going? These details are going here. And as you can see here in the down below, there is my name, my email and all of that stuff. Let's close this. All of that stuff which we just gave it. If you are gonna go back onto it, the last thing is find a perfect trip. So it is gonna help you, it is gonna recommend you the perfect trip you need according to your requirement. So let's test it also. And this is the most fascinating thing about this chatbot, and this is what makes it level up rather than apart from all of that chatbots. So I'm planning a 7-day trip, so we have to give it a requirement. So let's say I am planning a 10-day trip in Italy with a budget of $5,000 to $15,000. Let's say we do this. Then let's see what it gets us. Okay, as you can see that it has given us three recommendations on our requirements, and we can it is not scrolling. Why is it scrolling? There is a issue with this, but as you can see there is the same thing here that we can see the name, that it is a 10-day private Tuscany wine and culture tour. The budget minimum required is 9,800 USD, and the city which is going to be covered in the tour will be Florence, Chianti and Siena. We can see more details. We can go on Google Map to see the exact location of this, and we can also view it on Zicasso's website. And these are the in-depth detail of it, and also we can see more details about it. Like we can click here, let's say this, more details, and we can ask anything about it. Like let's say, what are the key experiences included in this package? And it is gonna answer. See how well this is. This is really great. Now this is all about the resource chatbot. If you want to get your hands on this chatbot, everything is available in our community. You can join it from the description down below or pinned comment. And also, if you want us to build this AI chatbot for your company, you can book on a call with us from description down below. Now let's get into the actually building of this stuff. So here we are on our voice flow. So we are going to use voice flow. How you can do that? Just go on to your Chrome and write voice flow, and you are going to be on their platform. You are going to sign in or get started from free. I'm already signed in, so I'm going to be into the dashboard of it. If you don't want to go anywhere, just go into the description. There would be the link available to voice flow. Just click on it, sign up, and you will be on the dashboard. What you have to do then, you have to either go on to projects, not either, create on a new project, and if you are gonna get it from our community, you can directly import it from here and select and just drag and drop it. Just click on new project and you will be on the canvas, which is this. Now let's get back here and let's understand step by step of what is happening here. First is this one, and we are starting here. Okay, So we are gonna add a message box here. Hey, I am Anya from Zicasso, or if you are building for your own company or your client, you are gonna write their name here. Then another message, and then there is gonna be buttons. And we are either finding a perfect trip, planning a custom trip, need a travel support, or about Zicasso. Let's first go on to about Zicasso. When we are gonna go on to about Zicasso, it is gonna go on here. Then we are gonna put here this one, this KB search. In the depth, this is KB search. We are gonna drop it here, and it is gonna tell us about what exactly is Zicasso. And we are gonna just put the instructions here about you are Zicasso and all of that stuff, who it is basically. And we are gonna put a message box in which it is saying, do you want to know more about us? What do you want to know? And then we are gonna put the buttons here about our team, our services, whatever they wanna know. And then we are gonna drop KB searches again and again and again. You can connect all these with one. We have here we have distributed it with 2 to 3 blocks, so we can make it more organized. And with organization, you can also see here there are different colors of blocks, so we are not gonna get confused about it. Okay, now this is sorted. After this, it is going on here, and it is gonna answer the thing from the knowledge base. Then to add an AI spice in this flow, we are gonna add another block of KB search, but we are gonna set it to AI model. Okay, whenever we are gonna put it onto this AI model, it is going to blend the AI with knowledge base, and it is gonna answer it is gonna form an answer taking the information from the knowledge base, if you are getting what I mean. And then it is going to go into here and ask us if I can help you with something else. If yes, it is going to answer. If no, then it is going to end the thing. Okay. Then the second route is need travel support, and as we have seen here that there is talk to an agent. If we are going to first we are going to say contact details, so it is going to go again here, which is the knowledge base path. If we are going to go on to talk to an agent, it is gonna go on to here, which is also a part of another path. So it is gonna go on to here, and we are gonna put 2 messages here. All right, let's arrange a call with one of our agents, and this. And especially we are putting here go to block. Okay, we are going on to the Calendly block here. Then we are putting a JavaScript here. You are gonna go onto here and pick out this here, and you have to put URL is equals to that double quotes, and you are gonna put here your Calendly link or cal.com link, and then it is gonna go onto here. Okay. And then you are gonna again drag it here, put a message. Once you have scheduled a call, click on I am done. And the other one is find a perfect trip, which is gonna go on to the perfect trip block. Now that it's done, what if we go on to request a callback? And these are the same things here in this path. If we are going on to request a callback, we are gonna go on to this path where it is just basically we are putting a message block, and then we are putting a listening block, which is a capture block. And once we are putting the capture block here, we are saving all of the information into specific variables, which is here we are saving it in name, here we are saving it in email. If you first time you are not gonna have a variable, so you are gonna have a last utterance, but we don't want it to save in last utterance. We need specific variables. So you are gonna click on here, create variable, and just create a variable of email. Then we are collecting phone, destination, departure date, return date, and budget. Lastly, we are gonna drop a message box here, and we are gonna just write are all of the details below correct, and then we are gonna write all of the details name, like name, email, phone, and then we are gonna drop the variable which is associated with specific things. And then we are gonna drop two buttons, one for my details are correct, and the second one is for I want to change my details. If the details are not correct, if they want to change it, we are gonna drop again the whole thing. So you can just copy this whole thing and paste it. You're gonna click on shift if you are on Windows, and you're gonna by clicking shift you're gonna just select everything and just control D, so it is gonna get duplicated instantly, and just connect it with here, and in the end you're gonna just connect it. But you have to first do this. Before putting this, you have to first put this. So exactly what is it that you want change, and just put all the buttons there, because that's specifically how the chatbot is gonna know what exactly you want to change, and according to that you want to connect. If they want to change the name, connect it with name. If they want to change the email, connect it with email. You got that. And if their details are correct, then we are gonna drop here an API call thing. Okay, and what is this? Okay, so this is a bit development thing. Okay, this is our Airtable base where every details are it. And firstly, let's configure that development part of things. So my partner Mohit helped me a lot in this, so you can check his channel out. You are gonna go into home page, go onto your profile, go into Builder Hub, and you are gonna go into this developer docs. Okay, you are gonna go into Web API, and you are gonna go into get records. No, list records, because you are listing it. Then let's bring it here. So you have to first take this curl, and you have to take it from HTTPS to base ID, and no, from the full one, base ID to this. The base ID is this one, from this slash to this, here, this one. This is the base ID of yours, and then there is the name of your what is this? I forgot. This database, this sheet. So which is leads. So we have put here leads. So first you have to add two headers. First is the authorization. If you are gonna click on plus, you have to write here authorization, and here bearer and space. After bearer, you have to put your API key, which is you gonna take it from here. Just go on Builder Hub again, personal access tokens, and click on create new token. When it is created, when you are gonna click on create, just name it something like subscribe, and add a scope, add everything, because it doesn't matter and you don't want it to give you errors. And click on add a base and add your base. Okay, wherever your thing is put. In the community I will put everything this, so you can just access it. Okay, also if you don't want to join the community, it is gonna be available in our Gumroad store, our online store. But you are gonna get if you are gonna buy it from Gumroad, you are only gonna get one template. But if you are gonna join the community, you are gonna get like every single template, all of the coaching calls, all of our personal one-to-one mentorship, and everything, just everything, in the price of just one template. And you are gonna create it, copy it, come back here and write bearer and space and paste. So we are gonna remove it, and we are gonna add content type, this and this. Okay, then this one, let me give you a secret tip. If you are lazy, don't wanna join, don't have money, just pause the video and just use Google Lens to copy paste all of the things. Then you are gonna add this one. You can just copy paste it because this is a JSON which maybe you are not gonna get in your head. If you know how to build JSON and all of that stuff, you are gonna know that first we are gonna write records here. But even if you don't wanna, just copy this one which is in the developers web API and copy it and put it here. We don't need created time, so just delete it. We need fields and nothing else, and no ID, no created time fields, no this, we just need this. So add all of the fields, which is name, then put variable, email, then put variable, phone number, then put variable, and all of that things. Okay, once you are done, you have to connect it to thanks, we will connect you soon, and with the failure path you are going to connect it to sorry, try again later. If it is not working, watch the video again by rewinding, but it is gonna work. And yeah, like if you want us to build it, just skip all the guessworks and your time into building stuff. Just book a call with us and we will build it for you in no time. Then that was plan a custom trip, and the last thing, which is the most important and most complicated thing you can find in this chatbot, is find the perfect trip. And my mind was completely blanked out when I was building it. So you are gonna go on to above and you are gonna drop a message box. Let us know here, this is message, by the way, message box, this thing, then another message box, this thing, and you are gonna drop a listen button, listen card, which is gonna save the entire reply to last utterance. Then we are putting here this one, set query, the logic, and we are setting the query, to last utterance. Okay, like setting up the variable here. After we have put the set query, then we are gonna come into set Airtable URL and we are gonna put our specific tables URL. How we are gonna do that? First we were into this Airtable API. Let me show you how you can get to this, because it was very confusing to me at first. We are gonna start from the home page. Okay, so straight to it. First we are gonna go into Builder Hub, then we are gonna go into the developer docs, and once we are into developer docs, we are gonna go into web API as we went into. Once we are into web API, we are gonna go into basis share with me and go into your base. Once we are into the base, we are gonna go down and we are gonna pick this from here to here. Okay, this is our base URL. Okay, so we are gonna put that where it is. We are gonna take that and we are gonna paste it here as it is. From where? From here to here. And we have to put it into that quotes. Once we have done that, we are gonna go into the set block and we are gonna set number of responses to 5. And we are gonna create that variable, number of responses and 5. And I would recommend you to do the 5 number as well, because if you are gonna go more than that, it is gonna be a pain for you, and secondly, we don't want it to just bombard us with results. Second is Airtable conversion, and we are converting the AI question, and AI question is this one, which is the user is asking us, and then we are converting it into the Airtable query. Okay, write this, convert the following query to an Airtable formula and apply it to Airtable query. And also I think here is a prompt. Yes, so here is a prompt. This is the most important thing. Okay, first you have to set Claude to 4o mini. It is also okay, but 4o is more good with this. Then we are gonna do this as it is. If it is not on this settings, do this on this settings. Then we are putting this prompt. Okay, just pause it and read it, and I'm gonna just scroll it. Okay, I'm not gonna read it, that would take a lot time. And yes, that's it. This is a one of the most important prompt in this flow, and you have to get it right, otherwise it is gonna be a hell of lot of things. Then we are putting an if logic, it is gonna be here, and then we are setting up if it is gonna contain nothing. If it is gonna contain nothing, then it is gonna go on to here, this one. And it is, as we know, it is a set thing. Is it a set thing? Yes. Is it a set here? Okay, and we are seeing that here is what the customer has requested. We couldn't find a trip exactly that matches, so respond with sorry, we are unable to find what you were looking for. That's that. If it is available, then we are going to go into here and we are going to get the records from our Airtable base, and which is this one. Let me show you. And as you can see that it is a whole base, like destination name, which is packages, location, which is cities or places, duration days, trip type, which is luxury, private tour, and all of this stuff. Departure season, you will not be able to see this, but I'm just giving you a glimpse of it. And budget, I'm also gonna show you just only one record, so you will have an idea of how actually it works. Then there is highlighted city, like what it is going to be covered, what cities are going to be covered in the package. Then Google Map link, which leads to actual Google Map place of that, like of Florence. Then tour partner, who is going to be the tour partner in this package. Then experience summary, the experience they are gonna get into a summarized way. Key experience, what they are gonna experience. Distance from landmarks, like how much far the Rome airport, the Florence city center, and all of the things there is. Image link, which helps us. Where is that thing? Yeah, the image link, which helps us to put this here, and it should be a direct image link of that. Okay. Then assets folder. This is regarding for the company use case. Okay. This is the database of theirs. Now what we are gonna do here is we are gonna go back here and we are gonna go into this. First you have to put the Airtable URL which we set up back then. Then you are gonna put this thing, destination, this thing. Where you are gonna get it? You are gonna get it into your docs which we were looking at here. We are gonna go down here into list records. As you can see here is that thing, that URL. You are gonna copy it, you are gonna paste it into your Zicasso AI chatbot. Then we are gonna put authorization and bearer, and then we are gonna put capture response to AI output. Okay, we are setting the variable here. Once it is done, okay, no, I click around the wrong thing here. Then we are putting a JavaScript here, and this might sound like this might look very, very complicated here, but the simple thing here is this is the common thing, our base thing, the foundation, which is destination. Okay, so we are pulling out everything on the basis of destination, so it is gonna be common in all of these things. Okay, then the column name, we are gonna put it here and put the same thing here. Don't change it even a little bit. And then we are gonna format the response as this. Okay, so just pause the video and copy paste it, but replace all of these things from your own records names and table columns names, if that rings the bell. Then JavaScript, and we are doing here is we are again putting this column name, then formatted response 0, then the same copy and paste it here, then NA. Okay, and then everything there is. Just pause the video and you can read it. Now you have to do the same, copy this whole thing and paste it here. Just what you have to put in here differently is that you have to put 1 in front of everything. That's it. One thing is this: in the first one there would be product count, but in the second one there will not be any product count. Okay, in the last. In the third one put 2, in the fourth one put 3, and in the fifth one put 4. That's it. Once you have done this, you are gonna go on to product count. We are gonna count if the product is 0 or not. If the product count is 0, we are gonna go back into this one and we are gonna run again the scenario here. And most probably the product count is not gonna be 0, so it is gonna go on to here. Okay, it is gonna go on to here and it is gonna go into this thing. Okay, this one, AI text to AI, and what you have to do here is basically, here is what the customer has requested, which is AI question, and it is and here is the first trip recommendation. So we are putting all of the information here with the trip name and the variables. So the AI is gonna know what exactly is what. For example, trip name is this variable, location is this variable, duration is days is this variable. So it can pull out the specific thing from this get request and format it correctly. Okay, same thing. So what you have to do first is, this is gonna be alone. In the second one there is gonna be this one the same. Then the additional thing here is the second trip. The third one, the additional thing will be the third trip, as you can see, the third trip. Then the fourth, and the fifth, the fifth one. See, once it is done, then there is gonna be this, the whole carousel thing. Okay, which is also another thing. Okay, so we have done this. This is just a double thing of that, but we don't have to worry about this. We have to go on here and we have to put here an image. Okay, the carousel basically. We have to put the carousel here, and when we are gonna put the carousel here, it is gonna look like this. We have to add the card if the card isn't there, and we have to first put the either we have to upload the image, either we have to put a link, and we are going to put a link because it is a variable. So because you have already created this variable in here, this JavaScript, so we have to put that the same image link, then the destination name, which is going to be the package name, then budget. Okay, then we are going to put the buttons of more details, Google Map, view on website, if they want to do that. If you don't have all of these stuff, that's completely fine. And then in the first thing, like on the set 1, okay, in the set 1, because there is only one recommendation, so we are gonna just put one thing. Then on the second one, we are gonna add more card to it. Okay, and then in the third one, we are gonna add more. In the fourth one, we are gonna add more. In the fifth one, we are gonna add 5 of them. Okay. When you are done, we are gonna put here the message one, and we are just gonna put here the variable of recommend text. Then the buttons of if you wanna search again, if you wanna go on to back to main menu, if you want to talk to an agent for booking an appointment. Okay. And if they wanna know more about it, more details, then we are gonna put a message box here. Ask me anything about anything you would like about destination name, which is the package they want to discuss about. We are gonna capture their response, listen for it, and then we are gonna put here the response AI, which is gonna response the thing from which is going to respond to the user's question with AI model, and it is going to use this one. You are a luxury travel agent which is expert on this, and then we are going to put all of the things about the trip, like trip name, destination, price, budget, and all of that stuff, and this prompt in the end. And then in the end we are gonna give them back to main menu, book an appointment, and no match. This is gonna sound a little confusing, but if you are gonna go step by step, it is gonna get in your head. Okay, first time it is really a very complicated thing, but this is what sells, because this is what provides the value to the customer, to the prospect. And if you just focus on AI chatbot services, and if you have this one under your sleeve, man, you are gonna crush it, literally. And then we are gonna do that again for destination name 1. Just put 1 after that, then destination name 2, then destination name 3, then destination name 4, and so on and so forth. No, there is no destination 5, that's only 4. This was the whole chatbot. I know it's very complicated and stuff, but yeah. Now the question, how to actually sell it? Because I told you to, I promised you to how you can sell it the best way. So there are 3 ways. First is your positioning. If you have a personal brand, if you make content, you can just give them your content, like, hey, this is my content, this is you can watch it, they are gonna watch your content. If you have a good stuff in your content, like demos, product reviews, your client case studies and results and all of that stuff, they are gonna buy from you. Second thing is packaging, which comes under hook. If your not hook actually offer, if your offer is good, then it is gonna be a no-brainer for the prospect to say no. You have to just package your offer in a better way, so the prospect is getting what they want, the result what they want, and you're gonna get the money you want. Okay, and the third one is you have to either give them the result this thing have provided, okay, or if your other chatbot has provided, if your other chatbot has resulted in the sale of $400,000 for your client, you can just showcase them like this. A similar chatbot like this, which we implemented for XYZ, had generated $400,000 in their annual recurring revenue, and so can this do the same for you. And if the prospect doesn't still want to buy, you can just get details detached from the sale. That's it. Because if you are gonna get too attached from the sale, first of all, the prospect is gonna smell that and they are gonna like, oh, this guy is desperate for selling this thing, I'm not gonna buy. If you are gonna like, okay, if you are gonna explain everything, this is what it is gonna give you the outcome thing, not lead capture, appointment setting. No, it is gonna generate 30 leads for you per month. It is gonna add $100,000 or $10,000 in your revenue every single month. It is gonna get you this amount of appointments. Then you are gonna be good. Use numbers, not benefits. And this is literally the simplest way to explain how you can sell this AI chatbot. And yeah, we sold this chatbot for $5,000, and which was through our personal brand, because me and my partner have our own YouTube channel and now also Instagram. So if you have liked this video, like the video, subscribe the channel. If you want us to build this thing for you, just book a call with us and we are gonna map a complete strategy for you of how we can build this for you and how you are gonna stand out from your competition and scale your business to your dream revenue. If you wanna get your hands on this, you can join our community from the description down below. We do weekly calls each week where we personally help our members close 4 to 5 figure deals, help them, give them a roadmap, just build their agency from complete scratch. If If you want to do the same, you can join the community. Now, enough selling. I will meet you in the next one. Until then, remember, it's just getting started.